Thank you for tuning in to another video from 45 Bravo Air Guns. Today we're going to be adjusting the regulator on this Airacuda Max 22 caliber. This is a prototype air rifle, serial number 9. Personally, if I'm just adjusting the regulator, I don't bother with taking I do degas the system, which this has been degassed. Let me dry fire it once to make sure that there is no residual gas in the system. Nope, there's not. Alright. I will usually, instead of taking off the whole pressure tube, just take off this end. Once it's degassed, unscrew this. By doing this, you're only looking at possibly damaging one O-ring as opposed to two O-rings here and one O-ring here, two O-rings here, one O-ring here. So by taking this off, you're going through more work. To adjust the regulator, you need to have a 3mm Allen wrench. I heat shrunk one to the end of a cleaning rod, and I'll insert into the end, make sure I'm in the middle of the regulator adjustment, and rotate it back about 1/8 of a turn. Currently the regulator is set at 135 bar. I'm going to change that. Okay, once you insert the rod into the screw, about 1/8 of a turn. Now, we're going to screw this back in and we're going to refill it, and we're going to give it another velocity test and see where we are now. Remember, tightening the adjustment on the regulator screw reduces your velocity and reduces your pressure on the regulator. Loosening the screw with the 3mm Allen wrench will raise your pressure of your regulator, increasing your velocity.